everyone. So today I have a very special video for you guys. Today we'll be unboxing this special gift. I received this gift from Shenzhen Tianya. They are a manufacturing company from China and they customize all sorts of gift boxes, chocolate, cookies, you name it. What they'll do is whatever request, no request is big. If you wanted this box to say a spouse name, your mother's name, girlfriend's name, whichever, they are a manufacturer company that will customize any gift and create gift boxes for you for the upcoming holidays, Valentine's Day. So I teamed up with them because I thought it was a great idea, especially for those who don't know what to give certain people, like if it's your spouse or mom or whatever, as the holidays approach. So I teamed up with them because, you know, you don't really find too many companies that customize these gifts. And because they use such high quality product or material for these products, they're able to satisfy your request and get it out to you as soon, even before the holidays. So let's go ahead and unbox because I received this, but I haven't been able to open it yet. So let's open it together. So it came in Amazon packaging and this is the box it came in. All right, so I received a bracelet. This is one of their inspirational gift bracelets. And what's so nice about this is this can be used as the bracelet holder. So once you give it to whoever you're giving it to, they can always revert back to this box because it has a protective cushion in there to put the bracelet on top of. These bracelets, they do come in different sizes. So if your mom, your girlfriend, your wife has small wrists, they have different sizes like 6.3 inches to 7 inches. And I have a pretty small wrist, so we're gonna go ahead and see if this fits my wrist. And quite honestly, I don't like bracelets that's too tight on my wrist whenever I'm wearing them. I do like it more like in a bangle form, but you have 3 different options to pick from. So this is giving me Cartier vibes, okay? And this is so cute. Let's go ahead and try it on. I'm not sure how to open this. Oh, all right, so the way you open this is it's closed, right? So you kind of push it up in a way and it unlocks. Oh, before I even try it on, so you know how I told you guys it's an inspirational bracelet? Well, this is where the words are. And in case you guys didn't see, it says, you're loved, you are valued, you are beautiful. And the great thing is that you can customize this into whatever wording you want it to say. You can have your wedding date on there, you can have your engagement date on there, you can have a date of a late relative, whatever you want, you can have it customized on this bracelet. And voila, this is so cute and aesthetically pleasing. Like if you're a woman who loves a nice little bracelet, and mind you, I wasn't one of those girls who love bracelets, but I'll rock something like this, especially if you wear your Apple Watch. This is a pretty classic chic bracelet to wear on top of your Apple Watch. It's like not too overbearing, but this is so cute. It is gold plated. It is real gold plated. I take that back. It is 18 karat real gold plated with cubic zirconia diamonds or stones. Let me rephrase. Cubic zirconia stones on the bracelet. But you could have fooled me. This is a very nice gift to give even your younger sister. If your sister is turning 16, this is a nice gift for her. Whichever event that you guys celebrate, this is a super nice gift. But because the holidays are coming up, this is something that you can have as a stocking stuffer, or if you're asking someone to be your girlfriend, this would be a perfect gift, so you can have that engraved in there. So I'll have the product of this linked in the description below. I'll have the website, and you can also go to Xin Tianya to view different gift options. They even provide chocolate, cookies, like they provide all those goody stuff that us women love during the holidays. But if you guys have any further questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll answer it as best as I can. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys in another video.